Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your HubSpot password. If you're locked out or just want a fresh start, yeah, this will take only a minute. So first, head over to the HubSpot login page. If you're already staring at it, great. If not, just go to the HubSpot site and click Login. Now, right under the password box, you'll see a tiny link that says, Forgot my password. Go ahead and click that. It's super easy to miss, so yeah, zoom in if needed. You'll land on a page asking for your account email. Type in the email you use for HubSpot and hit Send Password Reset Email. Make sure it's the right one, because HubSpot will only send the link there. Next, check your inbox. HubSpot usually sends the reset link within a few seconds, but it might take a minute. If you don't see it, check spam or promotions. Those filters can be sneaky. Open the email and click the big reset button. That'll take you to a secure reset page inside HubSpot. Now just create a new password. HubSpot will show you the requirements, usually things like uppercase letters and symbols. Enter it twice, confirm it, and hit save. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's all there is to it. Your HubSpot password is reset and you can sign in right away. If this helped, feel free to check out the other quick guides. See you next time.